This is another video in my series Math You Can Use Every Day. So I'm going to talk about how you calculate discounts, like prices after you've discounted something. And we'll take a look at multiple discounts too, an example of that. So, and this is a shortcut. I'm going to show you like a standard way, a normal math teacher might show you how to do this, and then what a shortcut is for it. So let's say you're buying a fishing rod that's $74.99, but it's 30% off today. So the question is, what is the price after the discount? So if I have 30%, so if I want to know what that is as a decimal, I take 30 and divide it by 100. Remember, percent means out of 100. So it's 0.3 or 0.30. So in order to find, we're going to find 30% of it. So we'll take the 74.99 and multiply it by 0.3. So it would look like this, 74.99 times 0.3 or 0.30. You can put 0 there, it doesn't matter. So the discount, the amount you're going to save is $22, and you see this 49 would round up to 50 because that 7 makes the 9 round up to a 10. So it'd be $22.50. So that is the discount. That's how much you're saving because it's on sale. So if we want to find the price, we take the $74.99 and subtract $22.50 from that, and you get $52.49. So that's a normal way to do this. There's two calculations here. Find the discount and subtract it from the price. What I'm going to show you is how you can do that all in one step. If you don't have to know what the discount is, you just want to go directly from $74.99 to what the sale price is, then this is a shortcut. Now, if you save 30% on something, then you're still paying 70% of the original price. And then where I get the 70 from is if you take 100% and subtract 30% from it, you get 70%. So you're saving 30% and you're still paying 70% of the original price. So if we were to find 70% of this, it will give us the $52.49 in one calculation. So to find 70% of $74.99, that's the calculation. And so I'll demonstrate that. 499 times 0.70. So there's the $52.49 that directly. If you don't have to know what the discount is, then that's a way to do that directly. So we went directly from $74.99, found 70% of it, and that is what you would pay. Of course, plus tax if you're somewhere where there's tax. Now, sometimes you'll get into multiple discounts. So if you have more than one discount, I'm going to talk about two, but you can do 3 or 4 or 5, doesn't matter. You can do any number. It would be a little bit odd that you'd see more than 2 discounts. You could, I suppose. So let's say you've got this sofa set that's listed as at $1,499.99. There's a 20% off sale, and today only, there's an additional 15% off. So the question is, what is the sale price? Now, normally discounts are compounded. You cannot say that if you add these and it's 35%, that it's 35% off. It doesn't work that way generally. Okay, maybe you'll find some odd time that they might do that, but that's not how that's generally done. So what we have to do is we're gonna find the discount, what the price is after the 20% off, and then take another 15% off it. So to save 20%, 100 minus 20% is 80%. So you've been multiplying by 0.80. So if we only had the 20% off sale, we take this and multiply it by 0.80, and that would be the price. Now for the 15% that we'll do second, 15, if you take 100 and subtract 15, you get 85%. And so we'd be multiplying by 0.85. Remember, move the decimal 2 places, 1, 2, or here 1, 2. So this is what the calculations look like. And I'm going to bring my calculator over here again. So it looks like this. So 14.99 and 99 cents times 0.80. So it would be $1,199.99. Remember, we stop here. You can just drop the 2. So that's that number. Now what we're going to do is take this and take 15% off it, or calculate 85% of it. So $11.99 and 99 cents times 0.85 is $1,019.99. So that's what the price would be. So this is the price after 20% has been taken off, and then taking another 15% off, it's $1019.99. And just to show you, it's not the same if we take the original price, the $14.99, and you see 20 and 15 is 35. So actually I should do that first. 100 minus 35. So that would be 65%. You'd be paying 65%. Just to show you that this is not how this is normally done, times 0.65. That does not give you the same price. Okay, so it's what, about $35 difference. Okay, so that's interesting. 35% is $35 difference. I believe that's a coincidence. Now, you don't actually have to do the two calculations separate. You actually can take, actually let me clear all this. You can take the $14.99 and 99 cents and multiply it by 0.8, and then just multiply that by 0.85. That actually does give you $1019.99, the correct final answer. So you don't really need to find this intermediate answer. You actually can go directly from the original price to the sale price after the second discount. So, and of course that was the calculation that I just did. So, and it does give you exactly the same thing. Now, if you had multiple discounts and you take a discount around, take a discount around, if you had like 3 or 4 discounts, you might find that this might give an answer by a cent or two different, because if there's some rounding, that could happen, but otherwise this will give you the correct answer. So that's how you handle multiple discounts. And of course, if you've watched my tax video, adding sales tax, we actually could do, just to show you, so let's say you're somewhere where, and I live in the province of Ontario, Canada, where the tax is 13%. So if I wanted to find the after-tax price, so if we want to add 13% of this, it'd be $11.52 and 59 cents. And of course, I could take that and just see that will give us the same thing. Okay, so let's see, this 8 makes it round up to a 9, so $1,152.59. So if you want to add a tax directly to that, you can just multiply it by this. See, this is adding 13%. There's the 0.13 right there. So that's how you calculate discounts, a shortcut for doing that. Now, if you have an idea for something mathematical that you use every day, leave a suggestion in the comments. And if it's something I think that would benefit a large enough group of people, then I'll make a video about it. Thanks, and have a good day.